A day in our life as broadcasting student / March 14th, 2025.
Guys, nakababa na po kotse. Si Kuya parang nagpa-parkour. Gagi, nasusunod na ako. Nagpa-parkour si Kuya. Stress na si Kuya. Oy. Yung ko yung stress. Grabe. Para mag-overtake pa pati yung jeep niya drive. Pati si Kuya gumagalis na sabi. Kabidyo ko. Gana. Ganda ng outfit ni ano. Eliza. Wala. Nagpunta dito si Jay. Dito kami yun. Ayan na yan. Mamamas ko po. Ito siya. Tiga-bidyo ang kadiri niya. Ang kami. Ay, shit. Pakilan. Oh my gosh, the airport is... Ay, talaga lang. Pasok. Welcome to... Hey guys, nandito na po kami.
Live as a broadcasting student. Nabawal mo na mag-aaw.
Nasabay pa kami ni Mandy. Hi, Jane.
Yay, hi.
Girl.
Saan na yung pusa?
Ayun. Ikat mo lang.
Ay,
May...
hello.
Person.
Lawayan ba?
Nagtupas ka mo bago nyo lawayan?
Bubblegum, bubblegum. Simi, bubblegum. Put your hand into your tummy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bubblegum, para alam natin.
Gusto niya itong kikan ko na yan, Jay.
Yung bubblegum. Bubblegum. Put your hand into your tummy and blow, and blow.
Bubblegum, alam niyo.
Put your gum into your tummy and blow. Hi. Pray muna. Let's pray.
Michelle, lead the prayer. Nakabidyo ko.
I heard his song, a good song. I heard he had a style, and so I came to see him to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, running my face with his fingers, singing the light with his words, hearing him softly with his song.
Silang sana. This is only a dream, a vision of what used to be. The soul picture in time, fading to memory. How could I ever let? Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam.
Go, Jane, ah.
How could I ever? Is it too late? From your side, it's all the space I have. The back is all the lines. You were searching for a place to hide. Lost and lonely. Now you've given me the words to say. I'm hungry. Love will keep us alive. Don't you worry. Sometimes you just gotta let it ride. The world is changing right before your eyes. Now I found you. There's no more emptiness inside. And we're hungry. Love will keep us alive. I will fall for you.
Hey, that's bad. Bakit? Sumay mo. Alin? May something off sa mukha niya. Ano yan? Pero ano yan? Chinelos mo. Chinelos. Di ba tapos? Di ba tapos? Ano ba tapos? That's the process. Lahat ka mataba ba?
I met you before. And that someone else was in your arms today. Don't know it's just a dream. Some feel is so extreme. Doesn't know what it is. Sometimes will be so true. And I take away all that I hold. You can't hold me and hold me right now. So scared to do.
Future husband, here's a few things you need. Mapaimbos na yun siya. Gidalaan ko na. Taking on the day, I deserve a day. And don't forget about it every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be a perfect wife. Buy groceries, buy what you need. You got the 9 to 5, but savings close to mine. So don't be thinking I'll be home and baking apple pie. I never learned to cook, but I can buy a book. Sing along with me, sing along with me. Hey, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady. Tell me everything's alright. If you trust on these few things, you need to know if you wanna be my one and only. If you trust on these few things,
Tell me why you're feeling this way. I hate to see you so down, oh baby. Is it your heart always breaking all the pieces? Taking your house, taking your food. Is there anything that I can do? Why don't you tell me where it hurts, now baby? And now I'll do my best to make it better. Oh, I'll do my best to make those years go away. Just tell me what you need, now tell me. And I'll love you when I love you. Oh, reaching for the phone, 'cause I can't find it anymore. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me, it happens all the time. It's a quarter of the one, I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I wouldn't go, but I lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how to do it.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Kanina papagay namin. Diyos ko, tapos kaninang bahay naman kaya. Kinasap, next. No, just At baliw na baliw ako sa'yo, hanggang kailan ako magtitiis. So bakit
Ipapamahal kita kahit na may mahal ka mang iba. Sa'yo hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba? O bakit nga ba? O bakit nga ba? Mahal. Magpapanggap pa ba?
Manggigil ka.
Eh, wala. Balik ka man!
Aray ko na.
ganda. Eh. Kumusta outing? At sa pagpunta sa bahay.
Thank you po. Bye.
you run to? My body on your body, baby, sipping on to me. Body laughing on the girl, only want to. Keep us fucking running.
Hindi na nagis ka. Diyan ka para may pangyo. Hindi ka ba yung isa? Anong size? 90 by 60 lang. Mamo? Wow! Sa tumatas hindi pala. Oo, kahit no? Happy birthday! Ito, 60 lang. Nasa 92. Ito lang to, 60 pesos na. 60 lang din. Kasi wala siyang ano. Dito ko cake. Kasi hindi walang cake. Walang cake. Dito mo cake. Kung basura ka. Hindi ka ng ice cream. Walang ibang cream. Ano yung buksan? Ano yung flavor to? Walaan.
Michelle, crush ko yung kumakanta doon. Si Kyle Masinas. Taga sa amin yun eh. Oo. O, Kyle Masinas, crush ko doon. Really yung FB. Na-post. Bang, bang. May girlfriend na yun eh. Na-post. Pakak. May girlfriend na yun.
Adi ka pa, Wan? Ulit ka na lang para mas madali ka makalwas.
Grabe dahil